business owner, you just gotta head over here right now. Everyone, give it up for Otto Kin, represented today by their product tech manager, Mr. Wilbert Cruz.
Let's go. For Otto, Sir Cruz, come on over. We're excited to find out what Otto Kin has in store for the industry over here.
Definitely a big help for your logistics side. Definitely a big help for your business. Sir Wilbert, take it away.
Yeah. Oh, it says in the shirt, we drive your business, yeah?
In behalf of AutoKit, an electrifying day to each and everyone. I'd just like to acknowledge my boss, Sir Kevin Maceo. Okay, we'd like to start with our presentation. Next. Okay, for our EV, there's up to 320 kilometer range that can charge us the battery. Your logistics business can do their work. Doing business with trucks. We also sell the medium and heavy duty trucks, light duty, heavy equipment, passenger transport, commercial vehicles, special purpose vehicles, and started to buy and sell from second-hand stuff. We started with cars, and then with heavy duty trucks, now with China trucks, and then this EV. Okay. With the power of 110 kilowatt, you can see the specification. Then this leaves the Uniban, the smaller one, the four-wheelers for our small business. This is it.